there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's burning. Bacon in a wok. Some nice work outside. You like your bacon? Ouch! I like mine crispy. Funny. Okay, got the bacon done. And now we've got these little tiny brown eggs. And we need about 5. Really solid. French shells. Now, then cook. Sticks to the bottom. Flip it over. Bacon in the water. And bacon fat. That's good one. I think this will be mine. I think there's some shells in there. There's yours. You know what? There's only 2 slices of bacon in there. I'm just going to fry them up. Take out the little browns. Turn that down. Ooh, it's pretty freaking hard. It's awesome here, but it is pretty much up there. Yeah, it's burning. No, it's not burning. Why does it smell like it's burning? Okay, I guess that's enough. One more bacon for you. And one more bacon from me. And we'll just turn this off. And close the gas valve down here. You can smell the gas too. They get to remove the leak. There, report that. There we go. Bacon and eggs in the country. In a wok. See if I can do this with one hand. There's your breakfast.